Now Parivritta Trikonasana. So Parivritta Trikonasana means revolved angle pose. So when we do normal Trikonasana, it is same side you are bending, like right side you are bending completely. But in Parivritta Trikonasana, you have to twist your body and opposite hand will come down towards your other foot, like left hand will come down towards your right foot. So let's do it. The distance remains the same between the legs, just like Trikonasana, around 3 to 4 feet. Feet are parallel to each other. Now we will perform one with the help of brick and one without brick. So as you advance in the practice, you will be able to perform properly without brick as well. But performing with the prop doesn't make it, less effective and less beneficial. So it is as beneficial as with the brick. And even if you go at advanced level as well, performing with brick will help you to advance your practice more and more. So let's do it. Hands at shoulder level first. Raise your arms. Right foot turn on your right side. Now left hand will come down. You have to cross your body. Twist and cross. Yes. So with the help of brick, it helps you to keep both the knees straight. Everybody's flexibility is different, so completely fine where you are. Okay, now slowly inhale and come back. Twist is always exhalation since you are contracting your body. Now left toe point on your side. Inhale, exhale, cross your body, twist your body and then go down. Good. Stay here. Both knees straight. Stay here 10 to 15 seconds. We have to repeat the asanas when we are holding for less time. When we try to hold 30 seconds at a time, then just once also if you perform, it's completely fine. Slowly come back. Hands down. Relax. Legs together.